Emergency response procedures and coordination. This presentation covers the critical procedures and coordination needed for effective health, safety, and environment (HSE) management, as well as firefighting emergency response. Understanding these essential protocols is crucial for protecting personnel, assets, and the surrounding community. Importance of emergency preparedness. 1. Proactive mindset. Maintaining a proactive mindset is crucial for effective emergency response. Anticipating potential risks and developing comprehensive plans can help minimize the impact of incidents. 2. Life-saving measures. Proper emergency preparedness can mean the difference between life and death, ensuring the safety of employees and protecting critical assets during crises. 3. Business continuity. Well-rehearsed emergency procedures help organizations maintain operational continuity, minimize downtime, and recover quickly in the event of a disaster. Roles and responsibilities of emergency response team. 1. Incident commander. Leads the emergency response efforts, coordinates with all teams, and makes critical decisions to ensure the safety of personnel and property. 2. Fire brigade. Responsible for firefighting, evacuation, and rescue operations. Trained in the use of firefighting equipment and emergency procedures. 3. Medical team. Provides first aid, triage, and emergency medical care to injured personnel. Ensures the availability of medical supplies and equipment. 4. Security team. Secures the site, controls access, and assists in the evacuation process. Coordinates with local authorities as needed. Emergency evacuation procedures. 1. Raise alarm. Sound the emergency alarm to alert all occupants. 2. Evacuate safely. Follow designated exit routes and proceed to assembly points. 3. Account for personnel. Conduct head counts and report any missing individuals. In the event of an emergency, it is critical that all occupants evacuate the premises quickly and safely. The first step is to raise the alarm, notifying everyone in the building of the need to evacuate. Occupants should then proceed to the nearest safe exit, following designated evacuation routes and heading to predetermined assembly points. Finally, a flight of personnel must be taken to ensure everyone has reached safety. Fire prevention and firefighting techniques. 1. Fire prevention. Proper storage and handling of flammable materials, regular equipment maintenance, and employee training on fire safety protocols are key to preventing fires. 2. Firefighting procedures. Established firefighting procedures, including emergency response plans and coordinated actions by the fire brigade, are crucial to controlling and extinguishing fires. 3. Fire extinguisher use. Employees should be trained on how to properly use different types of fire extinguishers to put out small, contained fires before they escalate. 4. Evacuation readiness. Regular fire drills and well-marked emergency exits ensure that all personnel can quickly and safely evacuate the premises in the event of a fire. Communication and coordination during emergencies. 1. Emergency communication protocols. Establish clear communication channels and procedures for reporting emergencies, activating response plans, and disseminating information to all stakeholders. 2. Coordination with response teams. Ensure seamless coordination between internal emergency response teams and external emergency services like fire department, police, and medical responders. 3. Incident command system. Implement an incident command system to organize, direct, and coordinate the overall emergency response, with clearly defined roles and responsibilities. Incident reporting and investigation. 1. Incident reporting. All incidents, accidents, and near misses must be properly documented through a formal incident reporting process. This ensures thorough investigation and implementation of corrective actions to prevent recurrence. 2. Incident investigation. A detailed investigation is conducted for each incident to determine root causes and contributing factors. The goal is to uncover systemic issues and implement robust solutions to improve overall safety. 3. Corrective actions. Based on the investigation findings, specific corrective and preventive actions are identified and implemented to address the underlying issues. Progress is closely monitored to ensure effectiveness. Training and drills for emergency response. Regular emergency response training and drills are essential to ensure all personnel are prepared to act quickly and effectively in the event of an emergency. Training covers emergency procedures, use of firefighting equipment, first aid, and coordination with the emergency response team. Periodic simulate real-world scenarios to test the team's readiness and identify areas for improvement. Drills are conducted in a safe and controlled environment to assess the team's ability to respond, communicate, and execute the emergency plan. Regulatory requirements and industry standards. 1. Compliance with regulations. Comply with local, national, and international fire safety regulations to ensure the highest standards of emergency preparedness. 2. Industry best practices. Follow industry-recognized best practices in emergency response and fire prevention, such as NFPA and ISO standards. 3. Documented procedures. Develop and maintain detailed emergency response and firefighting procedures that are regularly reviewed and updated. 4. Third-party audits. Undergo periodic third-party audits to verify compliance with regulations and identify areas for improvement. Continuous improvement and lessons learned. 1. Continuous improvement. Continuously review and update emergency response procedures to address evolving risks, incorporate new best practices, and leverage technological advancements. 2. Post-incident review. Conduct thorough investigations and post-incident reviews to identify root causes, analyze response effectiveness, and implement corrective actions. 3. Shared learnings. Collaborate with industry peers to share lessons learned, benchmark against best-in-class practices, and foster a culture of continuous improvement. 4. Preparedness drills. Regularly conduct comprehensive emergency response drills to test and refine protocols, improve team coordination, and identify areas for further training. With my best regards, Dr. Sama Tawfiq.